Today I'm making lilac syrup. Again. I made a lilac syrup video about a year ago, but I've since tweaked the recipe. Now the color of the syrup comes out better, and since it's bottled hot, it'll keep longer. Ingredients you will need are lilac, sugar, water and lemon acid. You can of course use lemon juice, but I find it sometimes comes out cloudy. Using powdered will give you crystal clear syrup. For now, all you need is lilac, sugar and a jar. Remove lilac flowers from the stems. You want as little green in your jar as possible. Layer the flowers with sugar. To avoid spillage, use a spoon. Now, keep the jar in the fridge overnight. Now, grab a pot, some water, your lilac sugar mixture and the lemon. On the stove on low to medium heat, let the sugar dissolve slowly. Remember to stir occasionally or the sugar might caramelize against the bottom of the pot and ruin your color. If that happens, do not worry, it'll still taste great. Once the sugar is dissolved, allow the syrup to simmer for about 20 minutes. Prepare the bottles you want to keep your syrup in. Boil some water and fill the bottles and submerge the caps. Once your syrup is done, it's time to totally bottle it. A kitchen towel will protect your fingers. Use a funnel and a sieve to hold back the spent flowers. Add bottle caps, and we're done. The color turned out great, I think, as did the taste, but you'll have to take my word on that one. I hope you'll have fun following this recipe. Let me know how yours turned out.